Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessicatrnovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, I'm gonna say my name is Velom sa Jessicatrnovec. Ako sa Mashte, Dobre. I just said hello guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Yes. So guys, in today's video, I'll be doing a little update on my eyebrow tutorial. I said in my previous video that I will do that, and here is the video guys. So guys, I'm going to be using Got2b Gel. Yeah, I'm going to be using this for our eyebrow. So before we get started, please do me a huge favor and subscribe if you've not done that, and also turn off the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification when I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first of all, first thing I'll do is to use this there's this mirror I got from Jumia. I did a video about it on Vlogmas. Yeah, I put it somewhere up. Yeah, so I use it. It really helped me to look really close to my brows. Even if I'm doing my brows or my eyeshadow, it's really like it's really close to the eyes. You can see everything. So first of all, my brows has to be dry with that product, and I'll use this pulley. I'll take a little bit of the glue, then I will brush them upwards. You brush them upwards guys, you just brush them upwards and make sure that they are upwards, so that when you are carving it downwards, it's more easier for you to get the particular line you want your brows to look like. Yes, so I'm just carving it upwards. I'll do the same thing to my other brow, upwards. As you can see, I'm taking upwards, then add more product because I have stubborn hairs, so I needed for them to lay really flat. Then I'm not carving it down a bit to the ideal brows I want it to look like. Then I'll clean out the excess product from it so that it will just be only my brows that have the Got2b Gel brush. Then I'll pat it dry to make sure that it's really dry down. When it's dried down, then the next thing I'll do, I'll use this pencil liner. It's 100 naira. If you're in Nigeria, you can get 100 naira. I love it because I can get plenty and I never get tired of using it. So I'm carving my brows, like giving it the line I want. Then I will start from this other side. I will not start from the front because I don't want to have the straight line. The front's gonna look a bit natural. So this is how I want my brows to look like. Then I will start brushing it in, like taking in those empty spaces of my skin. I'll use the pencil to make those places dark. See how the difference between this place and this place. Then I'll use a light stroke to carve the front part of it. Just a light stroke. Use a light stroke to just carve the front part of it to make sure that place is really natural. Then I'll go back with this pulley and give it more, define it more, carry the hairs up so that the hairs and the pencil will blend together. You hardly notice that I drew the brows. Yeah. So I went back again, keep on doing the same thing. I'll do the same thing to the second brows, but now I need to conceal my brow bone area. So I'm using Elegant concealer to do that in the shade Fawn. So I'm just using that to like conceal this place. I'll use LA Girl concealer and I'll also use Maybelline concealer, the two concealer, so you guys will see the difference between the two of them. So I'm just cleaning those areas, the edges, cleaning them out so that that place will look more sharp and beautiful. Yeah guys, that's what I am doing. I kept on doing that. Then I'm going to use a color that is close to my skin tone Okay, I'm going to use that for the upper brow area, just to clean that place out and make sure all of them looks clean and good. So as you can see, the front part of my brows, you can see I just use a little product, not too much, so that place will not look so artificial. Yeah guys, so I'm using my foundation brush. This is a Bobbi Brown foundation brush. It has this like angle shape, so I love using it for my brows so much, so I like to blend everything, like blend them into my skin. The concealer I use, I went back again with the same concealer and make sure that the down brown area is really popping. I'll do that to my second eyebrow, and yeah guys, so I'll see you guys at the ending of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Alright, bye bye. Of the brows. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification, and so like, share and comment. So guys, this is so easy, it's so simple, like it's just quick easy step you use to achieve a flawless eyebrow. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan.